Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today was a really good day, and I'm gonna go with some intraday trades, and then the structure trades as well. Every pretty good structure today, and we're pretty easy to follow. I'm gonna start with the 30-minute, and then the 5-minute, and then the 1-minute as usual. So we did gap up in the morning today, right? And I was either looking for some type of retracement to yellow, and then we push up, right? But that wasn't the case. We just kept we rejected around gray right here, so right here, right? And then that was the one that gave us this big drop right here, right? So that was the trade of the day, but there was very good scalps to take within all of this. So I believe the scalping was, you would have made way more money scalping today, if that makes sense, or I made more money scalping because I didn't really take this trade like that, and I'm gonna show you why intraday. Well, I did trick it to down here, but I just didn't want to take this trade because of the pink. But let me show you guys intraday. So starting off the day, right, we have this purple, right? Beautiful play right here, right, off of this red candle, right, and then this rejection of yellow, right, perfect all the way down, right? So then we're just gonna have to wait for the market to find itself and get the direction we're headed in, right? So we complete an inverse cup here actually, right? And you have to notice the signs of tapering as right here, right? This orange algo right here, right? So clear forms of tapering right here, right? And no continuation structures even after this close of cup right here, right? I believe I took a trade. I took this cup right here. So this was my first trade for the day. Pretty nice trade for me. You had a perfect red candle with the green and then pushed up, right? So that was a pretty good trade to me. The close of cup, right? And then you have to notice that the tapering, the orange, right? And then the teal as well, right? So we close this, well, we have this tapering, right? You could take it off the tapering algo right here, and this was the trade I took right here, right? Off of orange, right? Perfect entry right here all the way down. Close the inverse cup right here, right? Then you wait for some type of structure right here, right? And then we got this break right here, right? Where we built enough liquidity, right? Because you notice the blue is right here, right? Blue is gonna be support, so you can't really take a trade right here. And yeah, so the market wanted to build liquidity, and then the liquidity build was right here, right? And it's the drop. Then you could have also had a entry right here, right, off of teal right here. So there was two opportunities there. So the problem here was, or right, for example, if you were in profit from here, right, you could have taken a trade right here, started position right here, right, and then added on right here, right? So the reason I didn't take this trade was because I was making breakfast actually. Like I just got hungry as hell, bro. And I don't usually, like, I just couldn't, like, I don't know why. I should have just stayed. It's okay, whatever. I was just looking for the next setup, right? And I got the next setup, right? So you have to find this red, well, dark red. I'm colorblind, so again, excuse me. So we had a perfect bounce off of purple right here, right? So clear signs of tapering, as well as this blue right here, right? So the signs for a reversal were there, right? So we were looking for entries, right? I didn't see a red candle with purple, so I waited, right, to the red, right? So red, we got a perfect entry right here, close of cup, handle right here, right? And then break of handle right here, and then take it all the way up here, close of another cup, right? And then here again, same thing that we saw here happened over here, right? Orange algo, teal algo, and then the lack of continuation. You can see we're tapering at this orange up top right here, right? So that is a bear flag, right? So you have to take it at the break of yellow again, right? And you have to notice the blue again, right? You can't take the trade right here, right? Because blue you have to let the market build liquidity, and it did right here, right? So you could have taken the trade down here, or possibly this was a pretty messy area, right? Especially with the blue here, so entry is harder here, so I wouldn't have entered here per se. But yeah, if I was in profit right here, right, I would just hold my position, manage it. And how you manage it is by noticing the yellow, right? We are always rejecting off of yellow, or we're tapering in that yellow, right? And also the bigger I go, we were tapering in this orange, okay? So that's the key right here. And if you were in profit, I would have added right here, right? So you could have taken the risk right here, and you even see this green candle, like bouncing off of blue. So that's why I was like you have to be more cautious in this type of sense, right? So it's not a very perfect trade to take unless like you were in a position from right here, right? So, and then that's it. There's no like continuation structure, right? So what would have happened is, right, we closed the right here, we would have had a handle, right? We're in this handle right now, right? And we need to close another cup, right, and break down right here, like below the 5-day, right? And then we're gonna use the 5-day as resistance. So what's gonna happen is price is gonna move down here, then use the 5-day as resistance, and then have another teal right here, right? And then you enter the breakup right here, right? But I think we're gonna run out of continuation. Yeah, it's already 356, right? So when you're like closer to closing, right, you typically run out of runway, right? So you just expect some type of chop. But today was a pretty good day in that sense of scalps. Even if you missed this big move down, scalps were there, right? Up here, right? Even down here, right? So yeah, you just have to focus, and you just have to pay attention, and you just have to be ready, and you just have to plan your trades, right? Manage your trades, right? With the blue, with the yellow, with the orange, right? And yeah, it's a pretty simple day. So I'm gonna also show you guys where we're gonna go from here, right? Again, we are in this teal, right? So we need to wait for a break. If we are headed down, right, we need to wait for some type of break, right? And then some type of microstructure right here, and then close of this big inverse cup right here, and then same thing right here, right? Right, so same thing, you're gonna have some type of structure like this, right? So this is gonna be mostly the yellow algo that's in play actually right here. So that's what I'm gonna show you guys. It's gonna be the yellow and the teal together, okay? So this is yellow, right? And then this is gonna be the teal, right? Right, so we're gonna have to reject off of yellow first right here, right, and then build that liquidity, and then close this inverse cup right here, right, and then possibly grab the liquidity from here, right, and then head down, okay? And then the target we are headed towards is gonna be we have to see what happens at this level at 544, right? But I don't believe it's sufficient liquidity to be a major support. So the target is going to be like 528, 529-ish area, or 533 area as well, right? So it's a long way down, so we just have to go level by level and see where market finds the support, right? But yeah, the ultimate goal is for the inverse cup to close right here at 540. Wait. I have it on SPY, so it's SPX, so it's like kind of weird. Let's tell you. So the goal is 540, yeah, 540, 539, 540 level, right? So that's the goal. And again, if we are headed up though, right, because we are still like tapering in this area, right? You can see the bounces off of blue right here, right? So if we are headed up, we're gonna have to claim level by level, right? So we're gonna right? So we're gonna have to first reclaim pink right here, right? And then we're gonna have to reclaim this level right here. It's gonna be blue. I'm gonna make little aguas for you guys so it's much easier to see. Right, this is very messy. Hold on, I have OCD, so it has to be really nice. But alright, so we're gonna have to clean. Right, so yeah, so wait for that. So we're gonna go level by level, and you just have to be patient. And if we are headed up as well, we're gonna have to complete this cup right here, right? And then form some type of handle, right? And then possibly have a microstructure of pink and blue, right? And then we could take it up, and then we're gonna possibly take it up right here, close this cup right here, right? But that is if we are headed up. But yeah, so it is a bit like you just have to pay attention, and you just have to wait for what the market presents, right? And see where we are gonna head, right? But yeah, that's pretty much it for today, and it was a very good day. Let me count in total how many trades we could have taken, and the opportunities we had, because I always say, like, if you just miss one trade, that's fine. So if this is one trade, 2 trades, 3 trades, 4 trades, 5 trades, I wouldn't have entered there. 6 trades, 7 trades, 8 trades possibly here. Yeah, 8 trades. So you had 8 opportunities to take a trade. And yeah, so if you even miss one, that's fine. You have 7 more, right? So I just always say, like, be patient, wait for the opportunity to present itself, right? And yeah, so that's all. Have a great day, guys. See you guys tomorrow. And yeah, close out tomorrow strong. Let's see if there is some type of move push down in AM session, or before market opens, because we are tapering in this yellow, right? So in scenarios like this, the market likes to dump, and then possibly grab liquidity in the AM session tomorrow, right? So who knows? Just want to make it cleaner. Hey, so I feel something I never felt. Yeah, so market usually is gonna try to dump, actually. So sometimes I take, like, lotto picks of days like this where we see the tapering right here, right? And I'll take lotto puts and you know, see if market does dump tomorrow, right here. But yeah, so look out for that. Anyways, guys, all right, have a great day. Bye.